How are you? Happy Wednesday. I'm on early. Yes, yes, yes. So I want to get a head start on the night. I'm feeling fantastic. I went to the walking track, did a couple kilometers there, enough to be like, yeah, I haven't done this in years. I used to go before, well before the COVID land. And then COVID and life changes, job changes, and more changes, and I just got away from going. So I haven't been in a while. Let's see here. Hi. Oh, I didn't change the rest of my settings. Hold on. This is what happens when I get settled, and I'm with you in a moment. There, that's better. Alrighty. And then everyone's messaging me. I'm live. To let her know. Okay, we can finally jump in, guys. Hey, everyone. How you guys doing? Before we get super wet here, let's get the sponge ready. Because I think we might do some stamping. We might. Because the new paper pumpkin kit has arrived today. I'm like, sweet. That's awesome. Hey, Evelyn. Yeah, you made it because I told you I was live. And yes, Facebook is annoying. That doesn't notify well. Even me, like I'll get notifications on posts from like hours ago and comments from days ago, and it's like, yeah, okay, that's already in the past. Anyways, okay, so paper pumpkin for the month has arrived. Here is my very beat up UPS Stampin' Up box, which is annoying that they beat the crap out of their postage stuff. But that's also why I get shipped 3 kits in one shot, because actually they're likely to not become damaged. So there we go. Alright, so I'm just going to get this cut open, as everything's moving around here. And this knife is pretty dull, so I'm going to have to change the blade on that soon. Alright, so we're going to dive in. And I always open from the bottom of the box, because I don't want you guys to see all my addresses. So let's dive in. We've got a normal cover for the box this month. And double check there's nothing else. No. Nothing else. No surprises. No, Stampin' Lottery. There was a time that the company kept screwing up and was sending free items. And I'm like, I wish they could do that. It did not notify me about your life. I did tag you, Evelyn, so I don't know why. Facebook is silly that way. So, one of these is for Elaine. The other one is up for grabs. I may or may not use it for a birthday gift this month. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, so paper pumpkin. Let's try this side. Farmhouse Florals. Oh, Buddy's here. Hi, Buddy. Ooh, boo, boo. Anyway, I gotta dive in here. Because I know I'm early. I feel like being early tonight. So at the top of the video, I talked about what's the walking track tonight for. I'm trying to figure out a happy balance for exercise for me to build into something more. Because it's like, yeah, I need to like ease into it a little bit. I can't just dive in and be like, yeah, I'm gonna be hurting. I gotta look at my notes because Elaine's asking me about something, and I'm like, I don't know right now. Anyway, so let's look at the kit and see what we get into. Throw that aside. So here we go, Farmhouse Florals. Oh, we got 2 stamps this month. Oh, the new ink, Secret Sea. New ink color. Hi, Boo Boo. You get her down there, Boo Boo. So we've got. Holy shoot. Thank you, Evelyn. I just heard that chime, wherever the heck that chimed at. Oh, you're awesome. So we've got teapot, we've got leaves, flower, flower heart, more flowers for a great friend. Always here for you. You're simply the best. Thank you for your constant friendship and listening ear. Oh, that's sweet. thank you, Evelyn, for the stars. I really appreciate it. Here's more stamps here. We got good friends are hard to find. I'm so glad we found. Sorry, I'm off camera. I'm so glad we found each other here. I'm off camera. Sorry, guys. What does this say? Forever your friend. You are loved to say. Just a note for you. Thank you. XOXO. Hello. And some flower stuff. Okay, so double the stamp set. That's pretty cool. The tissue paper I don't keep because I have enough of it. So let's pop that aside. Ooh, I am ready for a nap, guys. I'm ready for bed. Oh, it makes a radio in the chat. Oh, that's freaking cool. I know it chimed on one of my devices. It must have been on my computer because I heard it come through. I'm like, well, that's awesome. Alrighty, so let's at least peek at the cards. Do you think I should make a card tonight, Evelyn? Since you're the only watcher on Facebook right now. Let me know if you want me to make a card. I'm not doing all three. I think there's three. Hold on. I haven't even got it open yet. Having a hell of a time here. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh. Hey, buddy boo boo. So we got some dimensional. That's a yawn. Ooh. Interesting. The envelopes are thinner than normal. Interesting. But they do have a neat kind of slightly speckledness to it. Alrighty. So let's see what the cards are. Yeah. So here's the three cards. Okay. Pretty. Cutesy. And here's like the stamps insert cover. Chipboard if you need some, which I don't. Throw that in the pile. So let's at least make one of the cards. Let's just dive in. Alright, let's do this one. Alright. So let's figure out our card bases. So we got some beautiful die cuts here. So I'm not sure. Okay, that one I'll probably need for sure. Beautiful. Nice piece. Yeah, very pretty. Bit of a surprise. Okay, so it looks like the card base we're working with tonight is one of the blank ones. Alright, we'll hang on to these. Let's see. Okay, there's a blank right there. And then these. Okay, that's the other card. Okay. So let's try this out, guys. Oh, it's talking about stamping the inside of the card. Let's try that. Alright, need my block. That might be useful. I need to get this cut open too. That might be useful too. Oh, hey buddy. He's under me. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a doodle. So the ink of the month is Secret Sea. It's one of our new ink colors, newish ink colors this year. It's like a nice, really dark, bluey gray kind of thing. Hence the name Secret Sea. Alright, let's see if I can get this open. It's nice to actually get one of the new colors in my collection. Because I don't usually buy ink on their own that much. I kind of rely on Paper Pumpkin. So it's nice to get one of these. Alrighty, so back to the diagram stuff. It wants me to stamp in the middle, you are loved. I gotta find you are loved. There it is. So first time, give it a quick rub. Grab the ink. Kind of go for it. You are loved. Clean the ink. And grab the floral piece on here. The floral branch. Give that a rub, because it's the first time. And FYI, guys, there's big news in the Stampin' Up! World. Some products are being discontinued. Other products are changing packaging. So we shall see what it's going to turn into. Okay, that is a really nice, really dark blue. There we go. Clean that stamp really well. We got more stamping to do. But I'm going to give that a moment to dry. So next is a thank you. I gotta find the thank you. There it is. I always like a good thank you stamp. This one's pretty good. Alright, and that goes on one of these. And there we go. Nice little thank you. Slightly smudged it a little, but that's okay. Alrighty, another stamp. According to the instructions. This time, this big floral-ish thing happening. And that's supposed to go on the outside of the card. Yes, buddy, I know. So it looks like this gets stamped a bunch of times. And I'm just going to do my own thing with it. And then one more. Even though, ironically, most of this gets covered up anyway. Go figure. I like the technique of it. Alright, there we go. And that's the extent of stamping for this card. Alrighty. So then, we assemble. So this gets put on with dimensionals. Where's my dimensionals that I'm working with? Now I can keep the other ones good for now. It appears I got my hair stuck in it, but that's okay. Silly, silly, silly me. Alright. Grab back my tray full of garbage. But yeah, I can see there's my hair in there somehow. Alright, so this gets put on centered. Like so. Okay. Then the phrase, and that's it. Oh wow, it's a simple card actually. I don't even need die cuts for this one. Just this die cut. and the big floral thing. So it looks like dimensionals on the far straight side. And I'm just going to add some seal on the other bit when I find it. Seal, where I put you? Where'd you go? Seal. Found it. That should be good. Alright, so then this goes like so. And there's our card. It needs bling though, eh? Let's add some bling. I'm gonna go with the gold ones because it's one of my faves. Alright, I'm just going to start putting a few of the tools away and supplies because we don't need them all out here. Cute kit though. Oh, I just realized there's thread. I don't know what the thread's for. I don't know. At least not for this card. Oh, anyway, I'm ready for bedtime. Alrighty. So then, I'm just going to put a little bit of bling on here. Need some bling. I'm noticing a lot of kits nowadays don't have bling. That might be a bit of a challenge. There we go. Just to add a little bit of something, you know. Actually, I'm going to move that one down. There. I'm happy with that. Alrighty. So that's the card number 1 from Farmhouse Florals. Hope you guys like it. And even if you missed out on a kit, you can always subscribe for the new kit, and you can always go back and order the old ones. And there we go. Have a great night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.